Yeah, like I think I've been disillusioned with the Nvidia 4D chess. There was a lot of warning signs over the years, but I think the last one that broke it for me was when they contacted it was Hardware Unboxed, I believe.
Yeah, yeah.
That email. That was just like, wow, you've lost your touch. Like this is clearly there's no other play here. You just look like idiots. Like there's no, I don't know. And this graph is this, yeah. I mean,
I
this
mean,
GPU launch, whatever you want to call it, same kind of deal. It just that was dumb. Like there's I can't really add anything else on top of that. It's
for a
just
while on that last one with Hardware Unboxed, I still believed in the 4D chess, Luke. Did I ever tell you my theory? I thought someone was setting up someone else to take a fall
oh
internally.
yeah
Yeah, I
yeah.
thought someone was trying to get someone else pushed out by doing something so catastrophically stupid that someone would have to get fired for it. I was clearly wrong because, to my knowledge, everyone involved in that whole fiasco
Disaster.
is
Yeah.
still there. So I clearly got that one wrong. I clearly gave them too much credit. But hey, maybe it's all gonna play out. I mean, you know what? I'm still doing it actually. So with the whole CMP mining card thing, like I came in and I'm like, no, this is about making sure that like the secondhand market for mining cards is utterly destroyed. I don't. Maybe it's not. maybe it's as simple. Maybe it really is as simple as typical computer industry trying to save 14 cents and making these GPUs without display connectors so that they can be 14 cents cheaper because miners won't use them anyway. Maybe it really is that simple, and they didn't even consider the environmental impact or the impact on value-seeking gamers who want to get their hands on a good used card or something like that. Oh man, that was another really frustrating thing in the comments on that video. The number of people that were like, no gamer is going to use like an old mining card, you idiot. Where do you think they go? Do you think they go to like a magic mining factory in the sky? Like, you think a miner just throws like a card that still works in the garbage? Like, what? No offense, but are you stupid? Like, oh man, it was very hard to read some of the dumb in those comments. I struggle with it sometimes, especially with a video like that, where I feel like, you know, we really did kind of lay it all out there,